Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about full join in structured query language. The full join, also known as full outer join, returns all the matching record from both the tables. Like an example, we have the table 1 and table 2. Now the full join is going to return all the matching record from both the table, and also it is going to return all the record from table 1, and also it is going to return all the record from the table 2. So the full join is going to return the largest possible set. And the syntax of full join is we have to write select and then the column name from table 1 name full join table 2 name, and then we have to write on table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. Here the column name sets the relation between table 1 and table 2. Like an example, we have the orders table and the customers table, and here the CID of orders table referring to the CID of the customer table. So the CID sets the relationship between the order table and the customer table. Now to perform full join between the customer table and the order table, we have to write the query select customers.Name. So we are selecting the name column of the customer table and orders.order ID. So we are selecting the order ID column of the orders table from the table customers full join the table orders, and then we have to write on customers.cid equal orders.cid. Here the CID sets the relationship between the customer table and the orders table, and this query will perform the full join between the customer table and the orders table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.